Hello and welcome to BoloForms signature. Today, in this video, we will learn how to use redirecting URLs in PDFs. First, open your dashboard, go to the documents, then to the PDF. We'll create a new PDF. I'm just adding a sample PDF. You can drag here. Add the email address to whom you want to send. Fill all the details like subject, body, and confirm. As you can see, our document has been uploaded successfully. Now I'll just drag my signature box where I want that. Now, to use redirecting URLs, we just have to paste the URL here. For this, I'm going to paste the pricing URL here, add. This feature is very helpful if a person has just signed a document and now you want them to redirect to a pricing page, then or a referral article. After everything is added, we'll just click on send by email. This is how the person will receive the email and he can just start signing. I'll add my signature here. As you can see, my signature has been successfully uploaded. I'll finish signing. As you can see here, it will redirect me within 10 seconds. And we are back to the pricing page that I added in the redirecting URL section. This feature makes things more systematic. I hope you understood the whole process. Thank you.